Hello everyone. You don't need to be a hairdresser if you want to trim someone's hair. If you have a comb, scissor and few clip at home, it's so easy. Okay, this is my client. Whoever wants to be, friend, your son, your husband. First, spray and make it wet the hair and comb all the hair in front. If you wet the hair, it's more manageable for you. For sectioning, for our guide is the end of the eyebrow. So from the end of the eyebrow straight up, one section, and from the other eyebrow straight up is gonna be the next section. So separate these two parts, comb all the hair down, and decide first the guide where you want to have your guide in front. For this fellow, let's say you want the top of the nose. Try to make it straight line wherever you want to have the hair, and then you can fix it the rest. Try to keep it down, this part, and then hold some part of the hair in 45 degree, and you will see the guide that you cut it before. Cut the excess hair, again comb the hair and bring it up. You're gonna see the line again. Cut the excess hair, comb the hair up, cut the excess hair, again comb up, cut, comb up, cut. As you see, I just cut this part. The rest of the hair you have to blend it with your guide. So hold the hair with this degree and blend it with the previous cut. You see the difference? You cut the difference, hold up and cut. Go this side, hold and cut the difference, blend all together and cut the difference, cut the difference, and this part, cut the difference. Now you cut all this, the part, the top. Now you want to blend it with the side. Take off the clip, spray it a little bit, and now you need to make a section, some part from side and some part from the top that you did it. You need just to blend the excess hair here from short to the front. Again, another section, another section. This way you can blend and you don't see the scissor line when you finish the haircut. Go to the other side and do the same action from front to side. So very easy, especially in this time that you don't have any access to hairdresser. You can trim a little bit at home. Every part of hair you bring it up and just cut the excess hair. But don't forget, this part is your guide. Okay, please watch my next video to show you how to blend with the side and around the ear and the back. Thank you for watching.